Shreya Kumari, come on the screen. I have unmuted you. Shreya Kumari, come on the screen. Shreya Kumari, come on the screen. Shreya Kumari, come on the screen. I have unmuted you. Shreya Kumari, come on the screen. Shreya, I have unmuted you. Come on the screen. Shreya 5D. I have unmuted you. Shreya, come on the screen. Unmute
Yes,
yourself.
sir. Yes.
Now why you were sharing the screen? Why you
No,
were
sir.
sharing the screen?
सर हुआ
No, just I saw you.
सर हुआ शेयरिंग कर रहे थे सर हुआ
हाँ?
सर हुआ सर हम नहीं स्क्रीन शेयरिंग कर रहे और है सर
कौन हल्ला कर रहा है तुम्हारे पीछे में? तुम्हारे घर में कौन अभी हल्ला कर रहा है? श्रेया कुमारी एक और है क्या?
सर मेरा भाई भी पढ़ रहा है सर मेरा भाई
शेयर
पढ़ रहा है
कौन
वो
किया?
भी
एक और है श्रेया स्क्रीन
सर
शेयर
एक
जो भी
और है सर एक और क्लास
ठीक है
सर एक और से है क्लास में
उससे भी हम पूछ ले रहे हैं। चलो म्यूट करो अपने आप को।
अरे कोई है श्रेया प्रेम
कितना मैसेज सब भेजता है ना। श्रेया कुमारी 5F come on the screen. Shreya Kumari 5F come on the 5F come on the screen. 5F Shreya Kumari 5F come on the screen. I have unmuted you. Come on the screen. Chalo unmute your
Yes,
come on the
sir.
screen. You were sharing the screen.
सॉरी सर गलती से हो गया
ये अगली बार गलती से नहीं होना चाहिए, समझे?
ओके सर
पूछने के बाद शेयर करोगी, ठीक है?
ओके सर सॉरी सर
Okay, mute yourself. So now we will start the question and answer. Okay, we will start the question and answer, right? So now come to the come to the question and answer. We have to do the question answer of, you can see we have to do the question answer. How does calcium and phosphorus deficiency? Okay, it is under recording. You can see the recording. Okay, you can see the recording. You can see the recording. You can see the recording. और ये रिकॉर्डिंग तुम्हारे पास भी भेज देंगे, तुम्हारा नाम ब्लिंक करेगा। आप सोच लो कि फिर हम क्या करेंगे? प्रियांशु कुमार, चलो ओके लेट मी Priyanshu Kumar, come on the screen. Priyanshu Kumar, come on the screen. Hello, Priyanshu Kumar. Let me see who is Priyanshu here. Priyanshu Kumar, come on the screen. I have unmuted you. Come on the screen. Priyanshu Kumar, come on the screen.
Yes, sir.
क्यों स्क्रीन शेयर किए? क्या स्क्रीन पे क्यों बुकड़ रहे थे?
सर हमने सबमिट कर रहा था, हम नहीं कर रहे अभी।
नहीं, एक प्रियांशु तुम्हारा भी है, आया है।
सर नहीं हम किए सर, हम नहीं पूछे सर, पूछ लीजिए। यस सर।
एक और प्रियांशु है, उसको भी हम जरा पूछ लेते हैं। चलो म्यूट योरसेल्फ। उसमें हमको क्या मतलब है भाई? 10 मिनट पहले तो कंट्रोल करना होगा ना इसको। चलो प्रियांशु कुमार 5D कम ऑन द स्क्रीन। प्रियांशु कुमार 5D कम ऑन द स्क्रीन। और तुम ही है 5D वाला प्रियांशु?
दो प्रियांशु।
और प्रियांशु कौन है? प्रियांशु कुमार सेकंड 5D कम ऑन द स्क्रीन। Priyanshu Kumar second, come on the screen. Priyanshu Kumar second, come on the screen. Priyanshu Kumar second, come on the screen. I have unmuted you. See, listen again. I am saying common to all of you. Common to all of you. I am saying if you disturb me, I will move you out from the class. Let me do my work, and you also enjoy the class, right? If you will do such type of activity, I will remove you from the class. I hope you understood. Nobody will speak unnecessary. Nobody will speak unnecessary. You will raise your hand when you have to speak. You will raise your hand. When I will permit, then only you will say. Now you see, you can see the question. I'm going to dictate the question. This is question number 1. Okay. This is question. I'm going to answer this question. Okay. How does calcium and phosphorus deficiency affect our body? Now, those who wish to answer this question, he or she will raise his or her hand. Okay. If you wish to answer this question, how does calcium and phosphorus deficiency affect our body? If you know the answer of this question and if you want to speak, you will raise your hand. How does calcium phosphorus deficiency affect our body? If you know the answer, you will raise your hand. The calcium and phosphorus, how does it affect? Okay, if you know the answer, you will raise your hand. Okay, this is what I want to say. I'm saying again and again. How does calcium and phosphorus affect the deficiency of okay? Now, how many of you wishes to answer this question? This is question number E1. Okay, you note it down. This is question number E1. Now, I can see Tanvi Sinha wishes to answer the question. Okay, Tanvi Sinha wishes to answer the question. Tanvi Sinha, come on the screen. Tanvi Sinha, come on the screen and unmute you. I have unmuted you. You tell me the answer. Tanvi
Sir,
Sinha, come on the.
yes sir.
Tell me.
सर
Tell the answer.
मुझे सर मुझे बोलना था कि सर मैं बहुत दिन से क्लास नहीं कर रही थी तो मुझे क्वेश्चन
देखो,
मेरा फर्स्ट सेकंड क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है।
ओके, अभी हम उसके बारे में अभी हम नहीं बात करेंगे. अभी तुमको जवाब देना है. Do you want to answer this question? Only those
No,
who
sir.
want to answer this question, they will raise their hand. Okay, mute yourself.
Okay sir, thank you sir.
Those who want to make answer, raise your hand. I will call your name and you will speak. Anybody of you? Anybody of you? Anybody of you? Kumar Mayank, keep your camera in correct position. Anybody of you wishes to answer the question? Shivang 5D, will you answer the question? No. Nobody wishes to answer the question. Okay, how does the deficiency of calcium and phosphorus affect our body? Now let me tell you the answer. Okay, deficiency of calcium and phosphorus. You can as well you can answer it in the chat mode also if you wish. You can Onkar, you wish to answer. Shivank Anand, your question is wrong. 2 main category of disease, you are wrong. If you don't know, you don't say. Okay. Okay, Manya and Abhishek, sir, I don't know answer. No problem. I'm going to say, I'm going to write. Okay. Now see, how does the deficiency of calcium and phosphorus affect our body? Now you see here. See here. Deficiency of calcium and phosphorus affect our body. First, it make our bone soft, oblique, weak, and fragile. Okay, it make our bone soft, weak, and fragile. It also make our teeth weak. It also make our teeth weak. Okay, it also make our teeth weak. Our teeth may lose the shine. Okay, our teeth may lose shine. What are you doing? One boy. Our teeth may. Apurva saying, what are you doing? Our teeth may lose shine. Okay. So this is, now I think Omkar wishes to say something. Let me hear him. Omkar 5D, I have unmuted you. Do you want to add something more?
Calcium and
Omkar 5D, come on the screen.
Sir, calcium and phosphorus will affect our
Tell me,
body.
do you want?
Yes, sir. Sir, calcium and phosphorus will affect our body by making our bone soft, weak, and fragile, and our teeth may lose our shine.
Okay. And any more? Anything more? Anything more you wish to answer? Okay, okay, thank you. Now Shivanki is also answering from in the chat mode that the deficiency of calcium and phosphorus, our teeth and bone may become weak, soft, and fragile. That's what I have written in the under. Okay. I hope all of you have understood it. Any problem? Anybody of you wish to answer? Okay. Okay. Now come to the screen. Okay, Omkar, do you wish to say something? Anything more you wish to add? Omkar, if you wish to add, I have unmuted you. You can say. Omkar, if you wish to say something else, you can come on the screen. If not, okay. Now, so I have answered the question number first. I hope all of you have understood it. Okay. I hope all of you have understood it. Now come to Shubham Kumar. Take your seat properly. Sit properly. Okay. Now let's come to the. I hope the question is clear to you. I have given you the answer. Now come to the question number second. Now come to question number second. The second question is, suggest some measure that can help us to prevent the occurrence of deficiency disease. Suggest some of the measure that will help you to prevent the occurrence of deficiency disease. This is the question number second. Okay, so come to the question number second. Okay, come to question number second. Suggest some of the measure that will help you to. It is question number E2. Okay, this is question number E2. Some of the measure that help to prevent the I hope you have understood it. Some of the measures to prevent the deficiency disease are, I hope you have understood it. First, if anybody of you wishes to answer this question? Anybody of you wishes to answer the question? Some of the measures that help us to protect the communicable disease, control the anybody of you, if you wish to answer, you can answer it in the chat mode, or you can, if you want to come on the screen, you raise your hand. Okay, you raise your hand, I will call you, I will unmute you from here. Anybody of you wish to answer the question? Anybody of you, if you wish to answer the question? Aniket, what are you doing? Aniket Kumar. Anybody of you? Yes, I can get the answer from the Priyanshu. One should take the balanced diet containing Shivank Anand 5D. Shivank Anand, come on the screen and you answer the question. Okay. Shivank Anand, you come on the screen and you answer the question. Okay. You are answering it in the chat mode. You should equally come on the screen and you answer it. Okay, I have unmuted you. Shivank Anand, come on the screen.
Sir, one should take a balanced diet. Sir, 2, one should be follow good habits. Sir, 3, children must be given adequate amount milk, juices, soft boiled rice, etc.
Okay. So means what you want to say that we should take the balanced diet. So taking of balanced diet will prevent us from the communicable disease. What is the question? Deficiency disease, na? In question it is deficiency disease, occurrence of deficiency disease. Okay, you have said communicable disease. So how the deficiency disease can be? Aniket, what are you doing? Aniket, 5D. And yes, Raj, 5F. Now, what deficiency disease can be controlled by the proper intake of balanced diet, you want to say. Okay. Anything more you wish to add? Anything more which you wish to add?
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
Does the good feeding habit also affect the deficiency disease? Good feeding habit. Does the good feeding habit also affect the deficiency disease? Okay. Now come on the whiteboard. Okay. Come on the whiteboard. Okay. Some of the measures that we should take balanced diet. We should take a balanced diet. Second will be by the timely intake of, by good feeding habit, by improving our feeding habit, by improving or by developing good feeding habit, we can reduce the deficiency disease. Okay, how can we reduce the deficiency disease? By developing a good feeding habits. Good feeding habits include, now what does the good feeding habit include? Good feeding habit include timely intake of food, avoid junk food, etc. I hope you have got the answer. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, how can we prevent the spread of germ from sick person to a healthy person? How can we prevent the spread of germs? How can we prevent the spread of germs? Right. Next question is E3. We can stop the spread of germs from sick to healthy person by adopting following ways. By adopting following ways. Okay, what are these ways? Will anybody answer? By adopting following ways. Will anybody answer? If you want to answer, you can raise your hand. You can raise your hand. If you wish to answer, you can raise your hand, or you can type in the chat mode. Okay. Omkar 5D has answered. Omkar 5D has answered. One should not be in touch of article of an infected or sick person. Okay. And Apurv Singh has answered that wash your hand before and after eating. Very good. This is a very good habit. And all of you come on the camera. Your camera should be on. Lakshmi Sharma, Swati Dubbe, Kumar Mayank, Khushi Kumari, Satyam, Aditya Rajput, Vansh Anand, Aryan Srivastav, Pranav Bharti. Okay, anybody, if you wish to answer, you can raise your hand. If you wish to answer, you can raise your hand. Okay, eat green vegetable and a healthy fruit from the Sivang. No. If you wish to answer, anybody else? Suryansh Kumar. Nandini 5D. Switch on your camera. Keep your camera in switch on position. Anybody of you wish to answer? Nobody. So how can we prevent the infection or the germs from sick person to healthy person? Its correct answer, by the following ways we can prevent the spread of germs from sick to the healthy person. Okay, this is wash your hand for 20 seconds. This is good habit, and the answer has been given by somebody. I have seen. Now see how the correct answer by adopting following ways. Okay, what are these ways we will adopt? First, we will isolate the sick person from isolate the sick person from healthy person. Okay, this is one. Second, do not touch, as somebody said, do not touch the belongings of sick person. Okay, disinfect if required. Disinfect it time to time. Now, can you tell me how can we disinfect our hand in this corona pandemic? Do you wash your hand time and again? Yes, you should wash your hand time and again by the soap. Or if the soap and water is not available, you should use the sanitizer. Okay. So do not touch the belonging of the sick person. Disinfect it time to time. And next, cover your mouth. Cover, cover mouth while coughing and sneezing. Coughing and sneezing. Let me say Apurv 5E. Yes, Apurv, come on the screen. Apurv, come on the screen. Apurv, come on the screen. Apurv Singh 5E, come on the screen.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Tell me what you wish to say.
sir, I wish to say that more ways to, more ways to, more ways, sir. I will say the more ways.
You say more ways. What are these ways?
Maintain at least 3 feet distance between yourself and
Absolutely
anyone
correct.
who
Absolutely
is
correct.
coughing.
Yes, absolutely correct. You are maintain the 3 feet distance. Okay, and anything
Between
else you
your
wish to say?
and anyone who is coughing and or sneezing.
Okay, with everybody we should maintain the 3 feet distance. Okay, very good answer.
Sir,
Very good answer.
one more, sir.
Tell me.
Disinfect surfaces around your phone and work.
Okay, okay. Chalo, ठीक है. Disinfect the surrounding of the sick person you wish to say. Thank you, Apurv. Down your hands. Okay, I am writing your suggestion here. Okay, I am writing the suggestion given by the Apurv. Apurv is saying that Apurv has said that maintain social distance of 3 feet. Okay, maintain social distance of 3 feet. And next, fifth, sanitize. Disinfect the surrounding persons. Okay, Manya and Abhishek. Now Manya and Abhishek also wishes to say something. Okay, Manya and Abhishek, I have unmuted you. Come on the screen. Manya and Abhishek, come on the screen. Come on the screen. Say what you want to say.
सर आप जो भी बता रहे हैं थर्ड क्वेश्चन उसमें जिसकी हम लोग जर्म से कैसे अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं
नहीं, क्वेश्चन क्या है? रीड योर बुक. क्वेश्चन है कि sick person, how can we prevent the spread of germs from sick person to healthy person. तो sick person से healthy person को कोई बीमारी नहीं हो, इसको हम germs को हम कैसे रोक सकते हैं? This is the question. How you will prevent the flow of germ, prevent the spread of germ from sick person to healthy person. This is the question. I hope you have understood it.
Yes, sir.
I hope you have.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So this was the answer. I hope all of you have got it. Any problem to anybody? Okay. So come to the screen. Do you have anybody problem? Anybody of you? Okay. Come on the screen. I hope these questions are clear to you. Have you taken it down? Have you taken it down? All of you, you answer it in the chat mode so that I will remove it. I will remove it. Okay, can you hear me now? Okay. Now, should I delete it? Okay. Clear the drawings. Now come to the next question. Next question you see here. Isa was suffering from chicken pox. Okay. Isa was suffering from chicken pox. Her teacher advised her not to come to the school. Her teacher advised her not to come to school till she was recovered completely. Why? Why the teacher of Isa had told Isa not to come to school when she was suffering from who will answer it? Raise your hand. You raise your hand if you hand. Screen. Yes, Raj 5F, come on the screen.
Yes, sir.
Come on the screen. Tell me.
सर क्योंकि अगर सीता स्कूल आती तो सब बच्चे को चिकनगुनिया हो जाता.
चिकनगुनिया नहीं है, चिकन पॉक्स है ना? चिकन पॉक्स.
चिकन पॉक्स.
अच्छा, क्यों चिकन पॉक्स कैसा बीमारी है?
सर जल्दी से सब में फैलने वाला बीमारी है, कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज.
हाँ, कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज है, मतलब इन्फेक्शियस
Yes, sir.
डिजीज है ये. अच्छा, तो
Yes,
कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज में हमें सोशल डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करना चाहिए. चलो ठीक है. ओके, थैंक यू. म्यूट योरसेल्फ. नाउ अपूर्व सिंह, कम ऑन द स्क्रीन.
Okay.
Come on the screen.
Yes, sir.
Come on the
Sir,
screen.
because is not recovered completely.
अच्छा.
It is also a
She has
communicable
not
disease.
So a communicable disease. Okay. So why teacher had told her not to come to school? Because she is suffering from a communicable disease. Okay.
Chickenpox, sir.
Because Isa is suffering from communicable disease, and other children may get infected through it through her. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
why? Question number, it is E4. Okay. Isa is suffering from chicken pox, which is a communicable disease, and other children can also get infected by her. So her teacher told her not to come to school till she doesn't from chicken pox. Okay, I hope you have got it. I hope this question is clear to you. Any problem to anybody? E4, is it clear to you? Okay. Now, okay. Now time is going to be over. If you have any problem, only Aryan 5E, come on the screen. What problem you have? You tell me. Aryan 5E, come on the screen. Tell me what problem you have.
सर मैंने तो आंसर क्वेश्चन नहीं लिखा है, तो सर आप भेज देंगे व्हाट्सएप पे?
कल का रिकॉर्डिंग गया था ना तुम्हारे ये पर, कल का रिकॉर्डिंग?
यस सर, यस सर।
हाँ, तो रिकॉर्डिंग को सुन लोगे, जो हम पढ़ा रहे हैं वो पूरा रिकॉर्ड करके तुम्हारे पास भेज दे रहे हैं, आज भी भेज देंगे, ठीक है? आई होप यू गॉट
ओके
इट।
सर, थैंक यू सर।
Welcome.
Yes,
Very less time. Only one question is left that we will do probably tomorrow. Okay. Because time is not here. Less than. Why deficiency disease is called non-communicable disease? This is the question. You will think at your home and you will come it tomorrow. Tomorrow we will discuss it. Why deficiency disease are called non-communicable disease? Okay. Why deficiency disease are called non-communicable disease? You will think over it कि deficiency disease को communicable disease क्यों नहीं कहते हैं? deficiency disease किसी न्यूट्रिएंट्स की कमी से होता है, जबकि communicable disease किसी वायरस के, बैक्टीरिया से, माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म से होता है। deficiency disease स्प्रेड नहीं करता है, communicable disease